So good afternoon everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Mendeley Cite in your Microsoft Word. So I have a brief article here. Okay, so I have an article here. It can be a research paper, this can be your thesis, it can be your dissertation. So if you want to insert citations in a MS Word, Mendeley Citations in MS Word. So first of all, you go to click on citation settings, and you can determine the citation style that you want to use. So you can click change your citation style. You can see that what I have here is APA 7th edition. That is American Psychological Association. So there are a lot of citation styles in Mendeley, Emerald, Harvard, IEEE, Vancouver, and so if the one that you want to use is not here, you can click on search another style. Then, for instance, let's say you want to use Harvard. Let's assume you want to use Harvard. You can see African Online. So there is a lot of Harvard, Elsevier. There's a lot of them. So any citation style that you want to use, you click on search, or you can also add a custom citation style. There's some citation style that have URL, you add it here. Then also you can change your citation language to any language of your choice. Mine is English. So let's say I want to add a citations here. So click on space and add this one. I click insert citation. So let me try and insert some citations here. Okay, let me look for another citation and insert here. Let me try and add more citations here. Then you can look for more citations to add. Yeah, I have a lot of citations here. Let me add another one. Let me add another citation. Let me add another citation. Then under solution and mitigation strategies, let me try and add another citation. Yeah, so this is how you add citations in your Mendeley. Your Mendeley citation to your projects in Microsoft Word. So you can also add another citation. Let me add another citation here. Yeah. So after you've done all this, next thing you have to do is to add your references. So for you to add your references is very easy. You click here on this three dots and click on insert bibliography. When you click on insert bibliography, it is only the citations that you added. That is what is going to come out in your bibliography, and you just add it. Yeah, it will be inserted at your cursor location. So this is my cursor location, and you add it. So you can see all the citations that I added. Look at them here. They've been added here. Then I write references. Yeah. So this is how to use Mendeley Cite in MS Word for your citations and for your references. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because more videos are going to be coming your way. Thank you so much.